Cleaning your home every day, vacuuming, then mopping, then cleaning the mop again. Sounds exhausting, right? But what if one machine could do everything for you, automatically? Today, we're testing a machine that claims to replace your broom, mop, and even manual cleaning effort. The Dreame H15 Pro Carpet Flex. Let's see if it's actually worth it. Or just hype. Unboxing. Hey Tech Fam, welcome to Licklit Tech, where technology is understood, not just reviewed. If smart tech decisions matter to you, so support us by liking and share the video, subscribing to the channel, and hit the bell icon, because every video here is made to keep you future ready. Opening the box, and right away, you can tell this is a premium product. Everything is carefully organized and nothing feels cheap. Here's what you get inside: the main vacuum body, interchangeable rollers for different surfaces, a smart docking station that charges and cleans the unit, cleaning liquid, adapter, and documentation. The packaging experience feels clean, minimal, and very premium, just like a flagship smartphone. First impression: the moment you pick it up, you notice something interesting. It doesn't feel like a typical vacuum. It feels like a smart appliance. The display, the buttons, even the voice prompts, everything gives you that next-gen vibe. Design and feel. Design-wise, this machine looks stunning. Matte finish body, bright LED screen, comfortable grip, smooth rolling system, and the best part, it almost moves on its own. You don't have to push it hard at all. Performance breakdown. Now, let's talk performance. And this is where things get really interesting. Power, that actually matters. This machine packs serious power. It can handle fine dust, liquid spills, sticky mess, even dirt trapped inside carpets. And the best part, it doesn't lose suction while switching between surfaces. One-step cleaning. No more double work. You don't vacuum first and mop later. This machine does both at the same time, saving time, effort, and energy. Smart brush system. It automatically adapts depending on where you're cleaning. Hard floors, gentle and precise, carpets, deep and aggressive, you don't have to think. It adjusts itself. Cleaner air, less dust. One thing I really liked, it doesn't throw dust back into the air. Instead, it controls it smartly, which is great if you have pets, kids, or allergies. No more hair problems. If you've ever cleaned hair from a vacuum roller, you know the pain. But here, it cuts tangled hair automatically. So basically, zero maintenance stress. Smart cleaning brain. This is not just a machine, it's intelligent. It detects how dirty the floor is and adjusts power automatically. So you always get the right cleaning without wasting battery. Battery life. You get enough battery to clean your entire home in one go. No need to stop and recharge in between. Self-cleaning magic. Now this is my favorite part. After cleaning your house, the machine cleans itself with hot water. No manual washing, no dirty hands. Automatic drying. And it doesn't stop there. It even dries the brush using hot air. So, no smell, no bacteria, no wet mess. Real experience. Using this feels effortless. You just glide it across the floor and everything disappears. Dust, liquid, dirt, all gone. It honestly feels like you're using something from the future. What I loved: all-in-one cleaning solution, very smart and automatic, saves a lot of time, minimal maintenance, perfect for modern homes. So here's the big question: should you buy it? If you want convenience, automation, and a truly smart cleaning experience, this machine is absolutely worth it. But if you're someone who only needs basic cleaning, this might be more than what you need. If you found this video valuable, or you simply enjoy diving deep into the latest gadgets, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. This is Licklit Tech, where innovation meets experience. We'll be back soon with more cutting-edge tech and honest insights. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and keep exploring the future.